Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm excited because I have my American Influencer Beauty Bundle box. Here it is. I get this every other month and it's a $34.99 subscription. And what this is they will pick a brand or an influencer to partner with and let them pick, like, I think it's five or six products, and then they send it to you for that price. And they ship FedEx, so it gets to you really quick. Like, it takes 2 days, which nothing else is that fast. So that's one of my favorite things about it. But anyway, so you open it up. Oops. Here's what it looks like. And this is our card to tell us who they picked. It says, "Be strong, be beautiful, be you." Oh my goodness. She is beautiful. So it looks like her name is Layla, and it says, "Hey gorgeous, I've poured my heart in to give them Layla, or Lala, I don't know, beauty, and I am beyond happy to share this bundle with you. I have hand selected some of my favorite products for all of you to try and feel the beauty that you each deserve. Please know from the bottom of my heart I appreciate all of my supporters. Everything I work hard to create is because I love sharing my passion with all of you. Enjoy your bundle." Okay, so that's cool. I wish I knew who she was. Maybe somebody can let me know in the comments. So it looks like we get 5 things from her, and then we have a little extra. So I'll go ahead and pull the extra out. It's a face mask, and it just has a little AIA bundle on it. I'm not going to put it on because I don't remember my makeup. We have to wear masks, but it just ruins your makeup so fast. It makes me sad. Okay, so it looks like we got quite a few things to try from her. Everything is in white packaging. I'm just going to go ahead and start pulling them out. So this is what it says. It says, "Give them Lala," or Layla, sorry, beauty. Must be the name of her brand. And, okay, this says Hydromat, and it's in the shade I Love You. Obviously, yep, it's going to be a Hydromat lipstick. And it retails for $16. This comfortable formula dries down matte and leaves your lips looking kissable and flawless. Smudge-proof, long-lasting, and beautiful. I Love You is a true fire engine red. It says long-lasting, non-drying, and lightweight. And it retails for $16. So I'm not going to do swatches right now. I'm just going to put everything in at the end of the video, but I will show you that. So then next we have a Hydro Gloss in the shade Trippin'. With one swipe, this high color payoff gloss delivers your lips full coverage shine. The non-sticky formula can be worn on its own due to full coverage consistency, or over your favorite Give Them Layla cream or matte lipstick. So here's this. They have a little doe foot, and they smell really good. And the packaging is really nice. It's like marbled. Sorry, I haven't filmed an unboxing in a while. Sorry if I'm stumbling over everything. Hopefully I can edit the bad stuff out. Okay, so next we have a cushion cream lipstick. This irresistible cushioned formula applies creamy and high pigmented for a beautiful full coverage look. It's non-drying and feels like silk, so you'll barely notice it's there. And then this again is $16. And then last we have a wet lip quencher. So this lightly tinted lip oil, this lightly tinted lip oil glides onto the lips to deliver moisture and a juicy look. It provides your lips with glossy hydration without any tackiness to create volumized, high shine lips. Apply any time of day on its own over your favorite lipstick or before bed as a lip treatment. And this is $18. Okay, so that's cool. I'm excited to see how they swatch and everything. I will do that at the end because next we have a palette. I will put on the screen the full price of the box. That mask is $12 too. Okay, so Give Them Lala Beauty. Layla, sorry again. Ooh, and these are really big pans. So it looks like we have a 9 pan eyeshadow palette. Beautiful eyeshadows for you to achieve Layla's everyday eye looks. Highly pigmented, silky to touch, and blends perfectly for any eyeshadow look you create. So this retails for $42. And that is so pretty. I think it would be really good for this time of year. It's a nice neutral palette. And yeah, these pans are big. Like, just look at it compared to my finger. It's big. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do some swatches. I'm really looking at, I mean, my favorite thing about it would be definitely that the pans are really big, but it's kind of just, you know, you've seen this before kind of thing. I hate to say that, but I think I've seen these all of these shades before. But we'll go ahead and swatch. This blushing looks really pretty. It's very soft. There it is on the finger. And I'll do just a little swatch here. And then how about, this one's called Baby Maker. It's just a little shimmer. So not, okay, well, yeah, in the light it looks a little better. And then we'll do Walk of Shame. Okay, so there's some swatches. I did it in a horrible spot on my arm. But yeah, I mean, they're very pigmented. They seem to like they're going to blend very well. I mean, it's hard to tell from a swatch, but you know, you get the idea of the color and the pigment. So I like that. And that's everything that we got. So like I said, I'll leave the price of the box, the total value. And yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you'll subscribe to see some more. I'm going to be uploading a lot more regularly. I'm getting back into it. So I hope you'll stick around and watch my Ipsies that are coming up next. And I hope you have a great day. And I'll see you, Nate, in the next one. Bye.